Alright, so before we start, I'm going to quickly show you my canvas lamp. So this is what I use for filming, and this is where I put my phone to film all my videos. In case you haven't bought a Christmas gift for yourself or for a loved one, this I think is a perfect gift for somebody who loves creating content, somebody who loves to film. So it's so easy to use. You can film an overhead view. You can just put this down so you can get like a tighter shot, and you can easily switch from landscape mode to a portrait mode. You just have to move this around. It's so easy to use. And I'm just gonna put my code and also my link below so you can get a 10% off on this lamp. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so let's start to create a simple holiday card. And I think I want to make just a border holiday card. And I think we're gonna use some gold. So as you can see, I've actually hit the pan already. This is the Kuretake Starry Colors, and I'm gonna put the link below. And I just put some water so that it will become soft. And you might hear my son, he's still awake, but I just decided to still film or else I won't get things done. Right, so I'm thinking of using this gold and painting a border. Then we're gonna paint some simple foliage. So this is gonna be super easy, and I'm just gonna eyeball this, no measurements or rulers. So it doesn't have to be super straight. But of course, if you prefer drawing beforehand, that's completely fine. Okay, so it looks very imperfect, and that's fine. You just want to paint a simple holiday card. Okay, I'm gonna use my sap green and just paint some simple leaves all around. And then we're also gonna try and vary that. Let's vary the size and the shapes. Okay, so let's just try to paint maybe some pine needles just to change things up. You can also add some berries. Okay, maybe we can add some blue leaves. You can paint on top of the border as well. I'm gonna paint some tiny leaves as well. You can just tap your brush to create these tiny leaves. I'm just gonna dab my brush. Start with some pine needles. So it's not gonna look much right now because we're building the leaves, so we're going to try and layer this in a while, and it will look very lush and beautiful. Okay, just gonna drop in some darker green right there. Okay, just paint some more leaves. And it's actually quite therapeutic because there are no rules when it comes to painting things like this. You just paint from instinct. And you can add some eucalyptus. I'm gonna use sepia and add it to my green, just create a darker color. Just create some oval shapes. Okay, just add some more leaves. You can do some elongated leaves. Just let your brush dance on the paper. Add a little bit of blue. Okay, then we can add some more pine needles. You can even add some flowers. But I think I'm gonna stick with some greens for this border. Okay, let's paint some small leaves. And it's important to vary the values, so some are darker, some are lighter. I'm just really stamping my brush. Okay, so I guess we can start layering some leaves. You can also add some white details later on. So I'm just painting on top of the first few leaves that we painted. That's going to make a very lush border. You can extend the pine needles here. Okay, it's looking really great. And later on, you can go back with some more gold. I'm gonna grab some of that blue in my palette. I actually did not wash my palette anymore. I'm just using the greens that I have. Okay, you could put some fillers. Just gonna use a really dark color. You can use indigo, sepia. Just add some small dots. I usually add this to add some contrast in my wreath or bouquet. It makes the painting look just more beautiful and more put together. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna grab some gold. You can just paint it on top of the leaves. I'm just gonna try and paint some lines. I think that will look good. It's nice to just put some like texture. Okay, I think I like that. And you can add some leaves. Okay. Alright, and I think I'm gonna add some white berries. It's going to look prettier with this. You can use white gouache if you don't have a white pen. Okay. You can add some veins as well. Okay. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this holiday card. And if you're interested to learn more, I have a lot of Skillshare classes all about holiday cards. Please do check it out in the comments or in the description box below. And I'm giving away a 1-month free trial for new students. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!